Welcome back to Decorating with Kelly. Today we're going to be decorating my china hutch with Franciscan's Desert Rose pattern. And this is a pattern that has been around for over 50 years and it is quite popular. You may see it in antique shops, thrift shops, vintage shops. Anyways, it is simply gorgeous. And while this is some of the vintage plates, my daughter has the more recent ones that are not as vintage at college. So we are making use of these beautiful plates. And now while we will be decorating my china hutch, you can use these techniques for bookshelves, credenzas, what have you. And for this display, I'm using 2 full sets of this pattern. So I have a dinner plate, a salad plate, and then some cup and saucers, and then some small little bowls. And then I will be adding a bunch of other things as well. So I hope you enjoy. Now, before we get into the decorating of the china hutch, I wanted to share these plates with you. These were made in Italy and they're salad plates, and we received them as a wedding gift. And I have found that I use them so much that I wanted to get some more plates that are similar to this. So these are Bordello Pinheiro, and I got these on Etsy along with this plate. And these are plates that you can find at Williams Sonoma, or you can go and go on Etsy. You might find them at vintage or antique shops. But anyways, these are gorgeous and they are perfect for any tablescape, decorating. Like you'll see how I use them in the china hutch. And if you enjoy entertaining or decorating with beloved dishes or antiques, what have you, these go with so many things, so I highly recommend them. So without further ado, let's get started. When styling a china cabinet or a bookshelf, it's important to create both symmetry and asymmetry in both spacing of items and color, thus creating a balanced look. Now, I created symmetry with the woven chargers and plates by placing them in an X format. Side note, I purchased the rattan chargers last year when I styled a beautiful coastal look, and I have used them in all of my china hutch videos. I like the texture that they provide, along with balancing out the formalness that is often reflected with china. And rattan is a great element to use in general when decorating. Now, when decorating the shelves is where balanced asymmetry comes into place. Within each section, I basically create triangles, with one side piece being higher than the piece on the other side, as seen in the illustrations. In addition, I balance the use of pink and green within each mini vignette. You can use this method in bookshelves. Just imagine that they are boxed off like this. When decorating a china hutch, you don't need to limit your accessories to china and pottery. It's a great opportunity to include other cherished mementos or even on-trend decorative items. Here are some examples of items that you can use. Brass or silver candle holders, vessels, or anything would work perfect with this. Colored glass, anything. I have a collection of hand-blown glassy baby photo holders in a variety of colors that work perfectly in almost any vignette. On a personal note, when I find interesting decorations that just grab my attention, I usually lean green, as green works in so many situations, so keep that in mind when you're out shopping. I have found some interesting and lovely items from Anthropologie, Pottery Barn, and West Elm, and with these items I have created some mini vignettes to reflect different design styles and exhibit the many different ways and looks that you can create with these surfware. And you can check these out toward the end of the video. Bottom line is that the style options are endless and that this concept can work in many situations, not just China patterns. And I hope you have learned something, and please comment below what your favorite element is. Thank you for watching.